Hi, I'm Rocky, and welcome to my channel, How to CMM. In this video, I'll show a step-by-step guide on how to report elapsed runtime in PC-DMIS. Let's get to work. First, start by opening a measurement routine that you want the time captured. I have a blank routine open for clarity. Next, let's insert a comment for clarity. Click Insert, Report Command, Comment, and Document. Delete the first row and hit the spacebar 2 or 3 times. Type Elapsed Run Time and click OK. Now, we need to create an assignment. Let's go back to Insert and click Assignment. Change the Assign To CT, or any variable not already used in your measurement routine. Click on the Assign From tab. Make sure Functions and Operators is selected in the drop-down. Look for Elapsed Execution Time and select it. Delete the 0. Click the Add Execution Time button to insert the code. Then click OK. Before we move forward, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's finish the operation. There is only one last final step before we test it. Click on the Insert drop-down again, Report Command, and Comment. Make sure the report is clicked. In the comment box, type elapsed runtime, hours, minutes, seconds. Add the CT, click OK. Make sure you hit enter twice. In order to test if the code works properly, refresh the report. If you see the time, hours, minutes, seconds, the code is correct. If you see Add CT, try hitting the Enter button again and reviewing that code is entered properly. Refresh the report again, see if it worked. It is very important that you enter this properly, so be careful. I have created a script for this code to make things faster. It takes a few seconds and the code imports right into your measurement routine. It's not something you absolutely need, but there's less room for human error, meaning there's no need to troubleshoot, and you will not need to memorize these steps. If you're interested, look for the link below. That's it. We did it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Again, one last time, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm Rocky, and this is How to CMM.